Hello everyone, this is a very different type of vlog I am going to share with you today. I have been living in Qatar from 2013. Actually I am from Odisha. Now in Qatar is summer season, so you can see outside how the weather is very sunny. Qatar is a desert country. Now 7:30 morning time, but temperature is showing 40 degree crossed. This is a speedometer I am going to put on my dress. It can calculate my steps and calories. So before going anywhere, I must finish my workouts in the morning. Today after a very long time, I have to go one of my relatives' home and will spend some good time with them. After some time we all got ready, and today me and my son named Ronak both are matching and taking some picture randomly. This is a villa where I have taken rent and we are going towards our car. In Qatar, below 12 years, kids are not allowed to sit in front, so me and my baby always sit backside in the car. So our journey starts now. You can see Qatar metro station is there. In Qatar, driving rules are different from India. My husband is driving. You can see here steering is left side. Qatar is a desert area, so everywhere you can see full of sands. Qatar is a very peaceful and very neat and clean country. My relative is working in Qatar Petroleum. They are staying in township area, and that Qatar Petroleum company made this township full of greenery. In Qatar, dates trees are beauty of nature. So you can see here lots of dates tree are here. a very big mall. Now we enter into the township area. All houses are duplex here, you can see. Qatar Petroleum Company has allotted duplex for their staffs. Now finally we are going to reach our destination, my relative's house. Actually they are my brother and sister-in-law. You can see they have put Rangoli on Ganesh Puja, but we missed because of my husband's duty was that day. Now you are going to see a beautiful Siberian Husky, a dog named Leo. I always scared to animals like dog, cat, so they are just kidding with me. I became a tiger today because Leo is inside the grill. When last time I came here, there is no grill. So I too much scared and kept me hiding inside the bedroom.
Leo. Tene.
So today is totally opposite rather than my last meet with Leo. Today I am very happy to see Leo inside the grill and he is very sad today. Leo is a female dog and only 4 months old now. It's miracle also. Today is 26th August and this day is also International Dog Day. Really she is very sad today.
Can I throw the ball?
My son is exciting very much today. Leo is catching the bouncing ball immediately in his mouth and trying not to give anyone shame like football. He is my brother's son Sonu. My husband and my brother both are enjoying frying fish. How Ronak is enjoying with Leo, petting his body gently. Oh my god! Now going to sea beach. Now sunset time. Near their house a sea beach is there. It is known as Sea Line Beach and we have come to this beach. This beach is fully unique. Everywhere you can see sand mountains with this sea. The crystal clear waters that embrace Qatar offer an amazing fishing trip experience. Here my son is writing his name Sanidhya. Finally, we are going back to our home. The day was well spent after lockdown. I hope you like my today's video. If you want to see more video about Qatar, please comment below. Like, share, subscribe Jenny Live Live. Hit the bell icon button for my further notification. Thanks for watching and supporting me.